Are you ready to add a colorful twist to your jack-o'-lanterns? In this video, I'll show you how I made these radiant gourds and how you can transform most carved pumpkins into a multicolored masterpiece. I've been making these colorful pumpkins for the last few years. I call them stained glass lanterns because the multicolored aspect reminds me of stained glass windows. But I'm wondering if stained glass jack might be a better name. What do you think they should be called? Let me know in the comments. Now, before we start making your lantern, you'll need to get yourself some colored light gels. You can pick up a pack on Amazon for around 10 bucks. They come in all sorts of shades, so choose a pack that has all the colors you need. And if your design includes any white sections, consider using a white pumpkin to carve. If not, the standard orange works great. Since two of my designs this year have white, I'm using white pumpkins so they all match. Next up, choose your pattern. This is where the fun begins. This year, I'm creating a trio of axolotls in their Halloween costumes. My 10-year-old is obsessed with these little amphibians, so I love incorporating them into our family celebrations. Your design can be simple or detailed, but you do want to make sure there's enough pumpkin left intact between the carved openings so that it doesn't collapse. And remember, bold colors work best. High contrast really makes your pumpkins pop when it's lit up at night. Now on to the next step, prepping your pumpkin. Cut open the top and scoop out all the insides. Make sure to get all those seeds and strands out so it's clean and ready for carving. Trust me, a well-gutted pumpkin makes the rest of the process so much easier. Once your pumpkin is prepped, it's time to carve and insert your light gels. After cutting them to size, I often have to trim the gel a few times to get the perfect fit so it doesn't spill over beyond its openings. I like to punch a small hole in each gel with a push pin and then jam a toothpick in to hold it in place inside the pumpkin. This keeps everything secure and lets you adjust the colors easily if needed. And now for the final touch, drop in some LED pucks. This is where the real magic happens. Switch them on and try out the strobe or flashing modes. Your lanterns will glow with spooky dancing light, perfect for creating a haunted party-ready porch. And here you have it, our final result. Now, which of these do you like the most? And is there an axolotl design I missed that you'd love to see? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more colorful, spooky fun. If you'd like a slightly more in-depth tutorial, click here to check out this video.